not safe. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to Temecula to meet up with one of the homies that I've known on Instagram for a minute. Not that long, actually, just a few weeks, I guess. I've been hitting him up about one of the kits that he's selling. We getting the long travel kit for the Silverado. Finally, coilovers, bypasses, arms, axles. We're getting everything. We're on the way right now, headed to Temecula. He came down from Arizona just to bring me this fucking kit. We got cash in hand, be ready to go. Let's get there, pick up the kit, and get our fucking day started, boys. Alright, boys, we are back. It is the next day. I didn't want to film too much of the transaction with the guy, only because I just know him on Instagram. I haven't met him in person too much. I didn't want to put a camera in his face. But super cool dude. Cliff's Automotive. I'll put it down here so you guys can follow him. He's building a crazy Silverado, full J arms and all this stuff. It's gonna be nuts, but let me get down and show you guys what I got. So here we got the Dirt King long travel kit, box lowers, box uppers, mounts for the coilovers, mounts for the bypasses, stop for the bumps. This is a long travel kit, pulls a good amount of travel. It's gonna be like 3.5 inch over on each side. It's gonna be super crazy installed. I can't wait to put this on. It's literally gonna be fucking nuts. If you guys don't know what it looks like, already installed in a truck. I'll put a picture here so you guys can see it. Let's just say these kits, I've seen some desert trucks do some crazy shit with on YouTube, so I'll put in even a video here of what they look like when they're mobbing through the desert. Besides that, shock hoops. We got driver side, passenger side shock hoops. Not shock hoops, sorry. These are bypass hoops. This is for the bypasses. Mounts on top of where the coilover goes. Gets welded to the frame. Bypass mounts here. We got extended tie rods. Well, this is the part that actually extends the factory tie rod. What else we got? Dirt King extended brake lines. We have Dirt King limit straps. All the hardware for the alignment. Let's see. We got the adjustable limit strap tabs. This was on the frame. This goes on the limit strap. And then for the fucking piece de resistance, the big boys. 2.5 by 8 custom spring rates. The guy who sold me the kit said they handled better with the custom spring rates that he did, so these are going to be the custom. I don't know exactly what they are. I'll get to them later. 2.5 by 8 with the resis. And the real piece of resistance. Shit. King 3.0 triple bypass. These are for the front. So if you guys can imagine those and those together with that on that, this truck's gonna mean some fucking business. This thing is gonna go ham. I can't wait till we get it on. We're actually doing the install here tomorrow. I'm not able to exactly film it tomorrow and upload at the same time, so that will probably be in a few days, maybe like 3-4 days. But another announcement, we also got new wheels for the truck. These are the old wheels. They're 20s welds by 35 by 1250 20. These are for sale. I'm selling them. 2,000 bucks. Takes a set. They're freaking brand new. If you guys are interested, hit me up, add them up on Instagram. You guys should know, if you follow me here, you should follow me on Instagram too. But this build is going to be crazy, guys. This is just the introduction to this. I also have a new front bumper that's on its way. Fenders that are on their way. So just be super excited, guys, because I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy. I mean, if you total up the amount of money well spent on this, this is probably like $12,000 worth of suspension. Just this. I mean, the kit alone is like $4,000. Bypass hoops are like $1,000 plus all the hardware. The 3.0 coilovers, that's like $3,500 right there. Plus the 2.5 by 8s, that's probably like another $2,000 right there. So grand total with everything, plus a bunch of other stuff that I have for the truck, I've already spent like 12 grand on this thing just for the front suspension. So you guys, please drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, because I'm spending hella money, and let's just say that YouTube don't pay me shit, and it can't even fill up the gas tank one time. So follow me, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you everybody for watching. So this is kind of just an introduction to the build, what's coming. You guys already saw the whole kit. You guys are about to see the wheels. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. That's all you get. But just know we went way bigger. No 35s no more. We gotta fit the long travel kit, fit the Fiberworks fenders that are coming. So just so you guys get a clue, it's gonna be crazy. Thank you guys again for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day. And I have another video coming out tomorrow. Next video is the wheels, so keep up on that. Thank you.